Flamingos are often spotted gracefully perched on one leg, but the reasons behind this peculiar behavior remain a mystery. Some believe that flamingos have the remarkable ability to rest one side of their body while maintaining a specific posture, although this theory has yet to be definitively proven. Others argue that standing on one leg helps keep the other leg dry, conserving their energy. As they stand above the water, flamingos utilize their webbed feet, which also serve the purpose of stirring up mud in their search for food. Young flamingos hatch, they sport a modest gray color. However, as they mature, adult flamingos exhibit a stunning array of colors ranging from delicate pink to vibrant red. This transformation is attributed to the presence of aquatic bacteria and beta-carotene in their diet. Well-nourished flamingos boast brighter and more alluring hues, which aids in attracting potential mates. Conversely, pale or white flamingos are generally regarded as unhealthy and malnourished. Flamingos bred in captivity often possess a paler pink shade due to a lower intake of beta-carotene compared to their wild counterparts. Consequently, zookeepers have resorted to feeding shrimp to captive flamingos, mimicking their natural diet. In terms of physical characteristics, adult flamingos typically measure between 36 to 50 inches in height, boasting an impressive wingspan of approximately 60 inches. On average, they weigh around 8.75 kilograms.